A lot of people think content creation is just for fun. Content creation is not just for fun. People make crazy amount of money from creating content. Some even go as far as getting jobs, brand deals, free travel trips, and even build businesses around content creation. All right. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you why content creation should be one of the things you should consider doing in 2026. All right. And I'm also going to show you how you can start making money out of this career. Okay. Now, let's dive into this video. Hello guys, welcome to CoinPaka. My name is Newman. All right, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, I talk about how to make money online. All right, I am a forex trader. All right, I also share tips and my trading journey on this channel as well, my crypto journey on this channel as well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you why you should consider starting content creation in 2026. All right, the opportunities you stand to gain in 2026 as a content creation. Okay, what is content creation? Content creation means creating video, all right, around a specific kind of topic or niche. Okay, so basically you create videos around a particular thing, all right, and then you upload it on social media. And some of those things are things like uh, comedy. Is it about entertainment? Is it about teaching? Is it about skills and all of that? All right, you can just create a content about it and then upload it on social media, or what you know, your experience, okay, and make a video about it. It can basically mean your lifestyle, all right, your skill, okay. Just upload it, make video about it and upload it on some of the popular platform I'm talking about here is Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Okay, others like Instagram and Telegram. All right, you make money from this social media platform just by creating content and uploading on this platform. Okay, now what are the opportunities you get as a content creation? All right, now when you become a content creator, all right, in the midst of being a content creator, you begin to build a skill. Okay, you begin to build a skill. Now if you are a person that has no skill right now, that have no skill right now, all right, that have no skill right now, do you know that becoming a content creator can actually make you to start developing a skill for yourself? What are the skills I'm talking about? Like video editing, video making, all right, script writing, you understand, content writing, you get. So all those things you begin to master all these things, even graphic design, like because of the reason of trying to design your thumbnail by yourself, trying to make a video by yourself, trying to write your script by yourself, try to edit your video by yourself. All those things, the more you do all those things, the more you get your handful of it, the more you understand them, the more you gain experience that you can also even teach others. Okay, that is one of the benefits of starting being a content creator. Okay, another thing is you become you become personal brand. All right, it becomes a personal brand. All right, people begin to trust you and value your opinion. All right, trust your voice. All right, people begin to depend on you on a certain matters. All right, I mean, basically about your niche. So if you are somebody that talks about let's say you talks about a relationship, all right, people begin to depend on you on matters that concerns relationship. People begin to seek advice from you because you begin to seek ideas from you, all right, on their relationship, okay, or what, you know what I mean. If it's something about let's say you are making video about forest trading, like as I am a forest trader now, and I begin to build make videos, people who begin to love the way I share my videos, the way what I share, all right. They begin to trust me, they begin to understand my flow, all right. They begin to feel free, relating with me or getting knowledge from me because maybe they understand me more when I speak, okay, all right. So they begin to trust me, all right. So because of this, I gain respect from them. All right, that is personal branding. Another thing is job opportunity. Okay, you begin to get job opportunity from this skill, being a content creator. Okay, what are these job opportunities? Now, because of the fact that you have now built yourself to an extent that people are now beginning to know you and understand you, all right, you can actually get a job from somebody who probably maybe has the money but doesn't have that time and skill to start doing all those editing, uploading, and all the rest. Okay, but because you are the type that have the time, you have the skill, all right, you also need a means of extra source of income. You can take this job and then you do these things for them and make money from it. All right. Like for example, there's a friend of mine that is a videographer. That is what he does. He used to go to marriages and marriages, burials to snap photos, or if they give him the job of recording the event. All right, that's where he makes money from. Until I share this information with him that, well, you can't just depend on physical source of income alone. You can also start branding yourself online. All right, since you know how to make videos, you know how to edit video, there are a lot of content creators who are looking for expert in terms of making video. You can get all this, look for this kind of people. He say he doesn't have time for that. Until I got somebody that actually needs, not somebody, actually a man or a family that were actually building a business. All right, so they needed somebody to come and film the shop, the warehouse, build their product, interview them and make video about them. Okay, so because of this, I then invited my guy to this person, and then they said they were asking like, okay, if the guy understand social media, can handle their social media page. The guy was like, he doesn't know how to do them, but he has somebody who knows how to do. And then he reached out to me. You understand? He reached out to me. You understand? So I had to refer him to another person that I know. Okay, that I know that understands social media management. You understand? So they started working together. They started working together. Since then, that guy has gotten two jobs, I mean, he has two people that is working for as content creator. Now he no longer depends on just somebody, for somebody to come and employ him to come and record an event for him. All right, he now have something that pays him in monthly basis. All right, because he's on a monthly role with these people. You understand? I think one of them is paying him 80,000, and the other one is paying him 65,000. You understand? So that is one of the benefits of being a content creator. And another thing is, you get to build your own business, all right, around this idea, around this content. All right, now as a content creator, often build yourself to an extent, build your audience, build your community. All right, when you have a product to sell, it is easy for you to sell. It's easy for you to sell a service. You understand? Now imagine you have like 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 followers, all right? And then you have a product you want to sell. Let's say a digital product for that matter. You want to sell, okay? Maybe for just $100, all right? $100 worth of product, okay? Now, if you begin to promote that product to your audience, to your content, to your followers, to your subscribers, all right, for as much as you can, promote it to them. All right, out of your 10,000 subscribers, there is no way you will not get at least 500 persons to purchase from you. All right, maybe in the space of 1 month or in the space of 3 months. Okay, now imagine 500 persons purchase a product from you worth $100. Do you know how much is that? That is one of the benefits you get. Now you also begin to get business deals, brand deals. All right, you begin to build confidence. All right, companies begin to come to you to like make videos for them about their product in your channel, and then you get paid for it. You understand? Those are the things those are the benefits of being a content creator. All right, so it's not just about making video, posting on YouTube for fun, or just making video, posting on YouTube and waiting for YouTube to get you monetized and start making money from it. No, it is beyond that. You make money in so many ways as content creator. Now, ways you make money from content creator, which I've just explained, and how you can start making money from there. Number one is monetization. All right, for YouTube, you can call it YouTube monetization, Facebook monetization, or TikTok monetization. It's called monetization. You understand? Now, what is monetization? Monetization is from YouTube is when you get to a point whereby YouTube begin to run ads on your video, on your content, and you get paid for the views that comes from it, or the purchase that come from those ads. Okay, that is you get it paid. That is how you get paid from YouTube. All right. Now, apart from that, you can also run affiliate marketing on your channel. Like, in other words, like getting a product from somebody, because you don't really have to need to have a product of your own. Okay. So if A have a product he wants to sell, all right, and you have people he wants to sell to, okay, you can take the product from A, and then strike a deal with A that, okay, your product is 10 naira. I can if I get a sales for you, how much are you going to pay me from the sales? A can say, okay, for every one person you sell to, which is 10 naira, I'll be giving you two naira. All right. Or every one person you sell to for $100, I'll be giving you $20. You understand? So you begin to run affiliate marketing for this person. So you promote those products to your audience. So for every one person that's buy from your audience, you make $20. You get? That is how you keep making money for that. So if you sell 100 products, $20 times 100. Okay. If you sell 50 products, $20 per piece. If you sell 10, $20 times 10. You understand? That is how you make money in the space of weeks and more. That's affiliate marketing. Another thing is brand and deal promotion. Like I've said before, people can reach out to you and tell you, okay, help me run ads on, let me promote my business. Let me run business ads on your channel. All right, talks about my do video about my brand, do video about my app, do video about my website, do video about my product, do video about my services. Okay, for doing that, you get paid for it. Okay, you get paid for it, because as you are doing that, you're actually selling the product to your audience. And when your audience begin to buy from that person makes money. So if he doesn't want to strike a deal with you for as an affiliate marketing, then it can pay you for promoting it or platform or your channel. Okay, now another thing is um another thing is selling your own product. You understand? Now, because you have built yourself to an extent that people now trust you, understand you. All right. Now you have experience in this thing. Okay. You can now build a course around it. All right. Like for example, I can begin to tell you now that, okay, now for you to start building your own channel, all right, I can teach you step by step for on how to build your channel. All right, and for teaching you that, you are going to pay me a certain amount of money. All right, I can charge you $10 for a month. I can charge you $20 for a month. I can charge you $30 for a month. I can charge you $100, $300, or $1,000 till you get monetized. Either way, I build a product. All right. And now, when I now build a product, I do not actually have to depend on my own audience to actually sell my product. There are other platforms I can upload my product to digitally and makes money from them all. All right. That is another ways to make money, like writing a book, building a course. People can pay you for consultation. People can pay you for coaching. All right. People can pay you for. You can also become a real estate partner, as I am. All right. Now, when I begin to promote my real estate dish to you guys, and by the grace of God, I get sales from you, I'll make commission from it. You get? That is the benefit of this thing. Then you can also get what they call super chat and support from YouTube. Okay. Now, when your audience loves you so well, they begin to support your mission, support your vision. All right, support you in your journey. All right, I on this channel, I've actually gotten a support, all right, $100 support and 50,000 naira support from subscribers. Okay, that is one of the benefits you get from being a content creator. Now, another thing is you get to build a skill. You become a freelancer. All right, become a freelancer. People, you can get a job for to do to edit video for people, to create to become a thumbnail designer for people. You can become a video editor, video producer for people. You understand? So that is another way to make money from being a content creator. Like I said before, you can also make money by donation and support. All right, which is having getting super chat from YouTube, getting support from fans, and paid community paid community, like people get you, people pay you to join your community so that they can ask for special coaching or special kinds of video from you. You understand? Or a special kinds of research from you so that they'll get information, get what they want to get from you. You understand? I haven't said all this, okay? I haven't said all this. You'll be wondering, how do I? Okay, now I now understand that there are a lot of opportunities in content creation, but how do I start? Okay, how do I now start on this channel? Now I will be explaining to you how you can start this channel, but this video is getting too long now. All right, now I will have to cut this video here. All right, on the next video I'm going to be explaining how you can start building yourself as a content creator. All right, what you need, how you can do them step by step. Okay, now so far so good. If this video is something that you found helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload video, because this is a part one of this video. All right, so that when I upload the part two, you get notified. All right, see you on the next video. Bye.